Okay, so one of the things I've realized as a trader is that when trading, the only thing that matters is not the strategy you trade. Which is why if you go through my YouTube channel, most of the videos that you see there are not gonna be about, oh, there's this new entry model that has a 90% win rate, or there's this new framework, or this fair value gap, or this order block, or da blah blah blah. That I've come to understand that is only a fraction of what reflects in your actual performance, how much you make. And how much you make isn't just the only metric to trading performance measurements, right? It goes as far as to how much you make on certain days, or how much you make on certain days during certain sessions at certain times. And, you know, one of the only ways you can get that done is either you do it manually, which is you collect every single piece of data from every single trade you take, which can actually get pretty tedious and would not really be the best course of action for most. Or you can pay a monthly subscription to TradeZella or DarwinX or whatever it is. And most people don't realize this. And, you know, myself personally, I've recently come to realize this, and I want to take steps to actually go ahead and actually um, put in the work of actually going to look at and examine each and every one of my trades. Since I'm not ready to quite purchase a subscription, I haven't actually even checked how much those things cost. But um, that is something I'm seriously going to start doing, as it will improve your performance so much. And as a trader who actually wants to take trading serious, you will realize that the most important thing about trading is not even the strategy, it's not what you trade, it's the habits and the things you do apart from trading, right? And this is a common factor I've seen among, most successful traders. And it doesn't matter what strategy they trade. One thing you will notice is that, for starters, they have a system that is not influenced by how they feel. And a lot of people confuse how they feel for, feeling happy or sad. But it gets a lot more complex than that, right? How you feel is inclusive of, but not limited to, what you think the chart looks like. If you think it looks good, if you think it looks quote unquote clean, if you think it looks, nice, so it doesn't look nice, that is how you feel. And when you let variables like that affect the decisions you make on the charts, well, that affects your performance directly, affects your edge. And you don't exactly let your edge play out. And one very important thing that I've also come to realize in my less than a year of trading is, you have to adapt your edge to you. I'm going to say that again. You have to adapt your edge to you. Now, you know, edge, the word edge in trading consists of a lot of things. It consists of your strategy, it consists of what you look for to enter, it consists of whatever you call it, your confirmations, your the time of day, whatever it is you look to see that makes you say and go, okay, I will assume a certain amount of risk because of this. That is your edge. And depending on whether it's profitable or not, makes defines whether it's a good edge or a bad edge. And for the most part, it consists of those technical parts. But a lot of people ignore non-technical the non-technical parts, and the parts that also makes us human, right? We're not algorithms, and as much as we might try to be, we cannot be algorithms. And some people might do it better than others. Some people are better at executing stone cold, no emotions, no thinking. And it's easy to say that, but in reality, it's not as easy as just executing no matter what. No matter your feelings always affect things. And again, like I said, it's not always about, oh, I'm happy today or I'm sad today. Your feelings go way past just your emotions, right? Feeling is different from emotion. Emotion is kind of basic. Your feeling goes a long way. You can be trading and you just feel somehow. Maybe your heart rate starts beating faster because you're anxious, right? You have anxiety, you're scared that it might hit your stop. That happens to me more times than I can count in a single trading day, right? And I wouldn't actually know if it affects my performance unless I'm able to look at the data. And sometimes you can even go as far as, I think there was this trader who, like, he checks his heart rate during certain trades, and apparently during his winning trades his heart rate was actually faster. And his heart was actually beating faster than when he was losing. So when he was losing, he was calmer compared to when he was actually in profit, because apparently he was anxious about price returning, and after seeing all that money, it goes back to nothing. So, you know, there's a lot of things that affects our trading, and this video isn't, to tell you how to perfect your trading, but I think it's just to give you a glimpse and, some insight to just get your mind thinking about these things, and to know that they actually exist and they actually affect your trading performance, which is why it's actually a very short video. Fun fact, I actually just picked up my phone and I'm recording this straight off of the top of my head. And, it's no plan, no script, no nothing. This is just straight from the dome. And that's basically it. I'm going to add some visuals. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's not really a video, it's more like a voice note. But hope you enjoyed it regardless. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck. Good trading.